Hello, this is Jack Tischer. This is Midwestern Drone Pilot, and today I'm going to be testing out the Mossberg Shockwave here. We're going to shoot a 2-liter bottle of soda that's shaken up, so that'll be cool to see that explode. I got my GoPro down there for some slow motion and up close shots, so yeah, let's get going. So I'm going to shoot this bottle of shaving cream here. As you can tell, he already shot another one, and that's damaged pretty good there, so this will be cool to shoot this. So we're shooting a 2-liter can of pop right there, shaken up of course. Whoa. Yeah, this. Oh yeah. That's a lot of damage right there. It's totally ripped it to shreds. Cool. Thank you, Midwestern Drone Pilot, for having me out here. It was a lot of fun shooting today. And where can people find your channel on YouTube?
So if you just look up Midwestern Drone Pilot, or you can look in a pinned comment down below, there'll be a link to my channel. Thanks.
All right.